Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can block numbers on your Samsung Galaxy A34. For that you want to go to your little phone icon there and then go to the three little dots, go to settings and then block numbers. The caller ID and spam protection is on already. You can click on it and see what it does. Only block high risk scam calls or block all spam and scam calls. You can set that there. And you can go to block numbers, block calls from unknown numbers, also already enabled. Mostly it's disabled when you have the phone. You need to turn it on manually. And then we have block scam and spam calls, same as before. And we have the option to add numbers here. So maybe the number from your ex-girlfriend, ex-boyfriend, whatever. Or just people that annoy you, and then you can block them there, and then I think you have the option to like unblock them again as well. So that's really quick and easy how you can block numbers on your Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.